Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video, I will show you step by step how to speed up your video clips using the Shotcut video editing tool. It is super simple guys, so let's get started. So in the first step, launch the Shotcut application on your computer, start a completely new project. Let's give it a name like test123 for example, and confirm that by clicking on that start button here below. And next, click on that icon here on the left hand side on these three horizontal lines and select track operations from the drop down menu, and next add a video track. After that, click on open file here in the upper left corner to add a video clip to your video project here on Shotcut, for example from your computer. Next, select playlist here on the left hand side and click on that plus icon to add your uploaded video clip to your playlist. And once that's done, click on your video clip here on your playlist and place it on your video track here on your timeline at the bottom by drag and dropping it. Adjust its position and duration if necessary. Now let me just turn off the audio of that video clip really quickly. There you go. So to speed up your video clip guys, simply click on filters here on the left hand side. Make sure your video clip on your timeline or on your video track is selected. And after that, in your filters, search for a filter called speed or speed up. Type in the search bar something like speed for example. And next, select that filter here, speed up. And last but not least guys, simply adjust the speed of your video clip. For example, as you can see, now or currently it's on normal speed, which is 1, but you can change that to double speed, for example, or 3, 4, 5, or even 10 times as fast if you like, by entering 2, 3, 4, or the number you would like to go with, or the speed you would like to go with. Let me show you how it's done and how your video clip would look like with a double speed like that. Let me show you the preview. There you go, the speed has massively increased, it has doubled actually, and you can do that with any video or audio file you add to your video or audio tracks on your timeline. So guys, that's basically it. As you can see, that was super simple. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.